Hello everyone, I had posted about JLC Pcb sending me some PCB for my Arduino spot welder project a few days back, and now they are finally in my hands. A quick note to all my viewers that I will be giving away 5 PCBs for free, and then you can add components and make yourself a complete project. All the project files, images, codes, component list and the instructions will be available on my Instructables page, GitHub and my Patreon page within a few days. So watch till the end to know more about the giveaway and how to participate in it. With these things out of the way, now let's unbox the package and examine our boards for quality. I had finalized my order on 9th of November to be shipped with FedEx International Priority, and it arrived to me on 16th of November, which was only 7 days. I think it was quick. In the package, we got some paperwork about the PCB for the shipments. And on the back, we again have some custom clearance documents. Keeping these things aside, we can now cut the packet open. Inside the packet, we got our box. Overall, there seems to have no any physical damage in the shipping process, which is good. The tapes on the both sides of the PCB have already cut out, but we can cut this final tape to open the box. On the top, we have our PCB for router UPS project in the black color. They are vacuum sealed. However, they are not the main focus for today, so I will keep it aside. And then, this is the one which I was waiting for. We will cut off the vacuum packaging and see the PCBs, but for now, let's keep it aside and look for the next one. And this one is the same PCB as the previous one, but in the black color. The box is empty and this is all what we got in the box. Now let's do the thing that you were watching this video for, looking into actual PCBs. Let me show you the PCB in blue color first. Wow, they are good. Let me show you more clearly. The texts are super clear and the finishing is top notch. The small PCB traces are super detailed even on my off-camera inspections. I did not find any manufacturing defects and it's all clean and clear. Now let's see the other PCB in black color. Wow, I must say this color is so good. The matte black finish looks super premium. This is now my favorite PCB color. All the traces are visible and the texts are crisp and clear. And if we see both side by side, although both are similar, the black one feels more premium. However, both PCBs are beautiful. And let me very quickly show you my another PCB which I had panelized, which means I had designed it in such a way that two PCBs would be on the same board. To be honest, I'm super impressed with the quality of the boards. They look great. And just like that, I can break it into two PCBs with the cost of only one. I may or may not show you this PCB, but this one is like a power bank circuit with two lithium cells giving steady 5 volt 2 amperes and 12 volt 2 amperes simultaneously on the output, while also being able to charge from any voltages from 9 to 30 volt. Comment if you want to see more about it. So now let me very quickly show you how you can order a PCB from JLC PCB. So first go to jlcpcb.com. Then you can go on sign in and sign in with your Google account. Just to show you guys, I am signing up with my Google account. Then insert your password and verify two-factor authentication. After it is done, you are back to the main page. So now go to order now and click on your Welder file. Or note that Welder file to this project will be available soon, so check the description for the link. Hit OK and it will upload the files and you can see a preview of your PCB on the top. You could leave all the settings to the default. However, you could choose the PCB color. Most colors would cost the same, so you could order the color you like. After this is done, you could see your order amount in the top right corner and also the shipping estimates there. If the costs are okay, you can add it to the cart, and by clicking on View Cart, you can check out your order. Now the ordering process is pretty self-explanatory. Just add your shipping address, delivery method and submit your order. After you pay the order through credit card or PayPal, the PCB would go into production, and after manufacturing, it would arrive at your doorsteps roughly 10 days from the date of your payment. So at last, to be a part of this giveaway, you just need to subscribe this channel, like this video and comment below your answer for what would you do if you win this giveaway. Just like that, you can participate. And many thanks to my Patreon, Mr. Ben Rees and Mr. Varun Basnet for your kind support. A quick side note that all my supporters at Patreon will automatically be a part of this giveaway. You can also support this channel by joining my Patreon page for as low as £3. The winners will be declared 3 weeks from now. So until then, keep watching. Thank you.